Your waist pain or lower back pain is not caused by mucus or phlegm. Most people have the notion that their waist pain is caused by mucus or phlegm because they bought an over-the-counter medication and they were able to pass a lot of phlegms. In today's video, I will want you to debunk that, and I will show you the real cause, the most common cause of that severe waist pain or the lower back pain. If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Now, when you take your back, there is a line of bones, and this makes up your spine. Now, with this spine, it contains 33 different bones. At your neck region, we have the cervical spine or vertebrae. It contains 7 bones. Then at your chest region, we have the thoracic vertebrae or spine, and it contains 12 bones. At your abdomen, we have the lumbar vertebrae or spine, and it contains 5 vertebrae. And at your waist region, we have the sacral vertebrae or the sacrum, then we have the coccyx. Now have it in mind that between two bones, there is a form of cartilage which prevents one bone from hitting directly to another bone. And this cartilage is what we call the intervertebral disc. This cartilage is like a shock absorber. So it absorbs shock, preventing one bone from hitting directly to another bone. So when this cartilage starts to wear off, you will begin experiencing severe pains, sometimes pain radiating to your leg, and even numbness in a part of your leg.
So, what causes it?
Most of the people who complain of pain at their neck and even their chest region is because of the heavy load that they carry. Once you carry those heavy load, you exert pressure on the cartilage. Also, as you age, this cartilage start to wear off. When you're one kind of person that you sit for a very long period of time, or you work for a very long period of time, you don't usually rest, always you are thinking about your work. Most of the time, as you move about and doing those kind of things, this cartilage start to wear off. And also, most people who have overweight or they are increased in weight, you exert a lot of pressure on your lumbar vertebrae because it is your lumbar vertebrae at your back that is holding your abdomen region. And because you are too big, your weight is too much, you constantly exert a lot of pressure onto your lumbar and also your sacral region, and that will cause wear and tear between those lumbar vertebrae, and it will lead to this form of condition presenting you into experiencing that severe waist pain and those kind of things. So enough of people thinking that their waist pain is caused by phlegms. No, the real cause or the most common cause is the wear and tear of the cartilage between the bones, and this is what we call spondylosis. You understand? So if you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.